Right, here we go, lockpick video 5, and I've got another new challenge, a Euro cylinder, 6-pin, my hardest challenge yet, by somebody called CB Group. And this has been a challenge because it's my first 6-pin, but there it is, working with the key. And there it is, locked up without the key. New pick, the Storm 4D Diamond Reach. Beautiful picks, these Storms. So let's have a go at getting through this little beauty. Didn't see anybody else on YouTube that mentioned one of these CB Group Euros, so thought I'd have a crack at getting it on camera, see if we can do it. Feeling for the false set, it usually drops into a false set. It doesn't seem to want to open every time quickly, sometimes it takes too long. And we're in. That's the 6-pin CB Group Euro lock. Done.